Finntastical World of Finn. Hello, I'm Ben. Today we're going around lightning strikes. Did you know there are 40 million lightning strikes in the United States every year? There are 1.4 billion lightning strikes around the globe every year. Now go to a quiz. How many lightning strikes are there per year? Is it A, 20 million? Is it B, 30 million?